Especially for the hydraulic sector, Transfluid offers its customers an extensive range of machines for the production of hydraulic tubing. The compact and mobile bending machines for on-site piping provide the entry point into the manufacturing of hydraulic tubing. A wide range of accessories makes the machines all-in-one platforms for pipe production. Depending on the customer's needs, they can be equipped with a saw, pipe deburring unit, an attachment for cutting ring pre-assembly or flaring function. Our CNC-controlled bending machines ensure outstanding bend quality with the simplest handling. Optionally equipped with hydraulic or electric drives, they offer the ability to process pre-assembled tubes with rings and nuts. For exceptionally long geometries, we have a unique solution with our robotic bender. The connection technology of these tubes must be particularly robust and reliable to withstand high pressures and dynamic stresses. For the various fittings, Transfluid offers special machines and techniques to ensure a permanent and secure seal. Automation is a strength of Transfluid. Starting from the automation of individual machines to the integration and central control of our machines into manufacturing cells for large-scale production. Transfluid also provides the perfect solution for every need in the hydraulic industry.